Today on Redneck Rescue, we just got our latest Rhino shipment in. We're going to go ahead and unbox it and talk about each one of these products they sent us today. So we're going to start with the biggest box, of course. This is one that I'm excited about. We currently have the 1-inch kinetic strap that has a brake strength of 34,000 pounds. But some stickers, the warranty. This guy is the next level. So this is more for your larger trucks, tractors, that kind of stuff. This guy has a brake strength of 54,000 pounds with a working load of over 18,000. One of their other products that I really like is this Rhino Velcro. I would buy a roll of that. I use that on all my other ropes through all my rescues. It's quite handy, holds up strong. Also comes with a nice carrying case. Rhino right on it. Keep that warranty info. On the same note, through the past couple of years of being sponsored by Rhino, I have yet to have to warranty an item. Everything's held up for me. I haven't broken anything. I do have some soft shackles that I'm going to retire of age and just retire them to my regular vehicle. All right, now this one I'm also excited about. Oh look, Rhino sent us some nice koozies. That's cool of them. Some more Rhino stickers. Oh, they even sent it to me in my color. Green. Oh, also comes in the nice camo bag. So this one I'm pretty excited about. I really use these Rhino products a lot in the summertime. I use them sometimes in the wintertime with vehicle rescues. I'll use the soft shackles on some of my snowmobile rescues or even the occasional tree saver. But this is a mini kinetic strap. This one has a brake strength of 15,000 pounds. This is for your snowmobiles, your ATVs, your UTVs. This guy's going to be great for our sled rescues, especially for a tow strap, something that's got some stretchy length to it. You know, the Rhino straps, they stretch up to 30%. All right. One more box. Big thank you to Rhino for sending all this stuff our way. They're a family-owned U.S. company. Oh, we got a pile of goodies in here. All right. So first, more of that Rhino Velcro. Hold on to that stuff. It's a tree saver. Run this around a tree. Rhino tree saver to the 40,000 pound strap. We're gonna run a couple of those all the way down and winch that thing up and out of that ditch. It doesn't tear up the bark. It's nice and soft and kind on your trees. Works in conjunction with, if you've got a winch, you gotta have one of these. It's the Rhino Snatch Block. This will double the pulling power of your winch. Or you can use it to change your pull angle. Check it out. And last but not least, one of my favorite Rhino products. Now if you haven't played with one of these yet, these are great. These are a soft shackle. So you just take and expand this loop, take this knot, run it right through, pull it right down tight on, and that'll hold 46,000 pounds. A metal clevis, 3/4 clevis, holds about 32. This chunk of rope does more. Big thank you to Rhino USA for sponsoring us over the past couple of years. We've put their products to the test. They've never let us down. They have great customer service, good people. Wes with Rhino over there has done a lot for us over time with our YouTube channel. Big shout out to his page, 4x4 Rescue. Go check them out. Use discount code RESCUE10 to get a discount on these products today. Have fun out there. So here at Redneck Rescue, we just did our field test on the Rhino kinetic tow rope. The question was, would it pull down a barn? And I would say